Hang on, guys. I'm working on it. Give me a second. Copying pages down. This just occurred 18 minutes ago. And USGS just sent out a tweet. All right, I need to show you that before I delete it, okay? Because that is important to what I'm going to show you now. USGS had on their page a 7.8. All right? Okay, they've got it Kuril Islands, east of Kuril Islands. They've got it 35 miles southeast of Servio-Kurelsky, Russia, at 37 miles in depth. But guys, they just sent out a tweet, so that's been downgraded. Hang on one second. All right, I'm going to refresh this. I just need you guys to see it one more time before I refresh it. It came across on the US tsunami system as a 7.8. All right, now get that to you as soon as I refresh this page. And there it is. They downgraded that to a 7.5 east of Kuril Islands. They've got it at 35 miles in depth. They've got it 136 miles southeast of Servio-Kurelsky, Russia. All right. All right, so let me mark the 7.8 off. 7.8 USGS. And then downgraded it to a 7.5 where everybody else has got it. Hey, Toke. Hey, guys. All right, so I showed you the 7.8 they had up here. They had just downgraded it. They sent out a tweet saying it was a 7.5. But at the beginning of this video, you will see the 7.8. I'm taking you now, before I take you to EMSC, I'm taking you now to the US tsunami page. All right? Now I need to read, I need to find out before this hits. They've got it at a 7.8. All right, so let me go ahead and click on this. Is that a tsunami warning from? No, it's not. I'll get you later, get you later, get you later. Okay, tsunami information statement number 1. The National Tsunami Warning System. Excuse me, this is a tsunami information statement for Alaska, British Columbia, Washington, Oregon, and California. An earthquake of this size are known to generate tsunamis potentially dangerous to the coastal islands, the secure region. The U.S. National Tsunami Warning Center is analyzing the event and determining the level of danger. More information will be issued as it becomes available. This earthquake has the potential of generating a destructive tsunami. Okay? If you are in these areas, Alaska, British Columbia, Washington, Oregon, California, anywhere along the West Coast, guys, turn on your radios now and listen. I'm copying this now and putting it into the link. Okay, this is number 1 warning. All right, let me get this in there. I'll keep this for it. Okay, hang on here. Paste. That is going to be an awful lot of information there. All right, so let me post that again. Hey, honey. Let me read this warning again. This could possibly produce a large tsunami. Okay? US tsunami page. The link will be at the top of this. Let me read this again, guys, before we go any further. Okay? The tsunami information statement number 1, National Tsunami Warning Center. Okay? They said this is a tsunami information statement for Alaska, British Columbia, Washington, and Oregon. An earthquake of this size are known to generate tsunami potentially dangerous to the coastal islands, coastal outside the source of the region. The U.S. National Tsunami Warning Center is analyzing the event and to determine the level of danger. More information will be issued as it becomes available. This earthquake has the potential of generating a destructive tsunami in the source regions. All right. Now, right now, I'm waiting for potential number 2 statement. So let me go back and refresh this page. Refresh. And it is refreshing. So let's see what we got. Okay. They still have it as 7.8. I just refreshed it. So, is that the 7.8? Yeah. I'm going to go back and open that again. I will get you other earthquake centers in a few minutes. I want to prepare everybody in case there is a tsunami. All right. It says it's still statement number 1. They have not updated it at this time. More information will be... Hang on. Aftershocks are coming in, just so you know. All right. They have not updated the tsunami system. I'll go back and check that in a minute. Right now, UTCMagnitude7.6. Let's go ahead and refresh them. They had it at a 7.6. All right, Kuril Islands region, 60 kilometers in depth. Let me refresh this page. You can see the tsunami symbol right there. All right, so let me go ahead and refresh this page and see if they downgraded it to match Usgs. And they have not. Guys, they still have it at a 7.6 earthquake. All right. They said a tsunami warning information center. Let me go to that information center and pull that up. The fact that you are seeing this page indicates that the website you just visited either expecting a problem under, okay, you should look for the administration website. I'm looking for the administration website. Hang on. Oh, great. You don't have an administration website. Seriously? Guys, tune to your local stations, local news stations. All right? Hang on for 1 second. I'm going to go ahead and copy EMSC. They have not sent out a tweet for this earthquake. So let me go get the tweets and see if maybe they did. Holy cow. EMSC. There it sits, EMSC. All right. Here's the tweet for EMSC. Thank God they're still up, okay? Let me copy that tweet and put this into the web page as well. EMSC. Tweet and web page. Tweet. Let me put that in here. Paste. But as you saw on when I first started this, they had it at a 7.8. All right, that's exactly what the U.S. tsunami warning system had it. You'll see it at the beginning of this video. Hang on 1 second, guys. Copying the link and putting it into the notes as well. All right. I need to go to Disaster Alert and see if they've got a tsunami warning up there also. Yes, that was a huge one. I'm checking. They got warning number 1 out. We're still waiting for warning number 2. They're taking in information. Hang on, and hang on. There's the tsunami. There we go. I got a warning here on Disaster Alert. Let's read what it says. So hang on, guys. Let me copy this. An earthquake of preliminary magnitude 7.8 at a depth of 59 kilometers occurred east of Kuril Islands, Russia. The tsunami information statement has been issued by the issued for Alaska, British Columbia, and the U.S. West Coast, including, all right, that'll be Oregon, Washington, California, event preliminary magnitude. An information statement indicated that an earthquake has occurred, but does not possess. Okay, cool. This is saying it does not pose a tsunami threat. I'm copying that. Okay, this is on disaster alert. Now I'm not going to trust that. You know I'm going back to the U.S. tsunami page. All right, that's just me. All right, I'm copying the U.S. tsunami and putting it into the page, but I did copy the other U.S. tsunami report. Disaster alert. Okay, I'm posting it. All right, I just read what that says. Let me go back to the regular tsunami report. All right, so hang on. Let me go back there and we will read this. Again, it's just refreshing the page. Let's go back. All right, tsunami information statement number 1 still. An earthquake with a size, earthquake of this size are known to generate tsunami potentially dangerous to coastal outside of the source region. The National U.S. Tsunami Warning Center has analyzed the event to determine the level of danger. For more information, you will be issued as it comes in. Right now, that's all they have. All right, got it covered. It's got 59 kilometers in depth. Yes. USGS has got it. Let me go see. USGS has got it at 35 miles in depth. Okay. U.S. Tsunami Warning System said it was 59 kilometers, so I think that is 35 miles in depth. Let me clear that. 59. That is 36.66 miles in depth. All right. The kilometers equals out to that. All right, now let's go see who else has got this earthquake. We'll check the tsunami warning system again in a couple of minutes. Let me go show you who else has this. All right, I do have the tsunami page up here for you. The link telling you it was a 7.8. That will be in there. GFC was the first to post this. All right, now they've got it as a 7.6. They upgraded their 7.5 to a 7.6. So I need to copy that page too. Hang on, guys. They upgraded it to a 7.6. All right. East of Kuril Islands. They've got it at 6 miles in depth. All right. 6 miles. All right. Let me go back now. We're going to go to us. Whoops, I got to copy that page and put it in here. Sorry. Come on. Copy. They had it at a 7.5. And now I got to change it, okay? I'm updating. Upgraded. And we're putting in the 7.6. Let me get what the web page says on there for you. Trying to get you all information. Then we'll go back and check the tsunami thing again. All right, I promise. Trying to keep you up to date on that. Paste. Okay, we're going to go to Australia now. Australia also had it. They sent out a tweet. All right, so let me go to, Australia. Trying to get you all the earthquake centers that posted this. All right. I'm trying to keep you guys informed. All right. This is important. This affects all of us. All right. Australia's got it at a 7.5. Okay. They have got it, though, at 8.7 miles in depth. East of Kuril Islands. I don't know if you can see that. Let me open that up here a little bit further. Okay. They still have it as a 7.5. All right. Now, EMSC and GFC have it as 7.6. It first came across as a 7.8, and you will see that in the beginning of this video. All right. Now, that I don't have to change. Guys, I'm going back to the U.S. tsunami page. I need them to say it's no tsunami. I appreciate you guys too, sweetie. Okay, we just opened it up. Let me refresh. Let me refresh. Come on. Yes, we know. I'm going to open this up, and I'm going to let you see what it says. So hang on 1 second. Can you guys see that? No tsunami. They've got it at a 7.8. No tsunami. That is the U.S. tsunami warning page. All right. Says no tsunami warning, advisory, watch, or threat. I'm glad for that also. All right. Let me go see if they have got anything near Kuril Islands. Hang on. Let me open that up. Open that up. Come on. Oh no. Generate tsunami potentially dangerous to the coast. National Earthquake Information Center. Additional information refers to a Pacific region outside California, Oregon, Washington, British Columbia, Alaska. Warning center message at tsunami.gov. That's what you've got. I just typed you in. Right at the top of your page, you said no tsunami threat. Okay. Guys, I don't know what to do or to believe on this one. All right. So, you do have the links. All right. All links are there. I'll be with you guys in a minute. I promise. Okay. Let me go back to USGS. When I first started this video, they had it at a 7.8. And I showed you that. That was their preliminary. They now have it at 7.5. They've got it east of Kuril Islands. They've got it at 35 miles in depth. All right. They've got it 136 miles southeast of Serbia-Kurilsky, Russia. All right. I'm sorry I'm going 17 minutes, guys, but I definitely have to. I was up as soon as I got up here as soon as it hit. That's how come you got the 7.8. Let me go take a look at this earthquake. They still have it as 7.6 GFC. Australia has it as 7.5. All right, so we're going to take you to this earthquake. All right. GFC was the first to report this earthquake. They are the source I will be using. At this point, they're higher than USGS. All right. I didn't even check to see the closest volcano. I am so sorry. I was wanting to protect you guys from the tsunami if there is one, if there was one. So that was more important to me. 222, green, normal, dormant. All right, let's go take a look. All right. Let's shrink this down. They're saying the closest volcano was 222 kilometers. It was green, it was normal, it was dormant. Yes, it is a shallow one, but it's close to land also, okay? It's not that far off. All right. All right, guys. Estimated release of power for this earthquake. Boy, my mouth is... Hang on for a second, guys. Water. Yes. Estimated release of power for this. Oh. Here's volcano. They changed the data on the volcano too, so now I got to go replace that. Seriously. Longitude, latitude. I got to get rid of that and change. They changed the data, so let me go get the data. And come on, and go get the new data for you. I'm not going to change the anything but the epicenter and release of power. Cut. Let's go get it. Hang on, guys, because they had it at 201 miles away. So it's still the same, but a mile different. Let me go ahead and copy that. Estimated release of energy, closest volcano. And wow, that is a big atomic bomb number. The estimated release of energy for this earthquake was 4,402 tons of TNT, equivalent to 236.7 atomic bombs. Okay? That's a lot. Paste. All right. Closest volcano. All right. Source. And equal. Okay. Let me go ahead and put equals to miles in depth. Let me get that up for you also. Wow, guys. And we'll go back and make sure everybody's keeping it there. Once again, USGS said it was a 7.8, downgraded it to a 7.5. I have proof at the beginning of this video. Clear. What did I say? 222. 222. 137 miles away from this earthquake is the closest volcano. It was green. It was normal. I'm writing this information down. This information I keep. 337.9, 338 miles away. All right, that is the closest volcano. Equals 138 miles. Sorry, not 300. 138 miles away, and it was color-coded green, normal, and dormant. All right. I got to go back, shut down all earthquake centers, guys. I know that's a chance I'm going to take. I'm still waiting on Disaster Alert to post the earthquake, and they have not as of yet. They posted the tsunami warning. All right, closing down USGS and EMSC. We're now going back to USGS and EMSC. Yeah, I know what it looks like. They're saying green. All right. EMSC still has it as a 7.6. They have not. The tsunami sign is still there. It does not have a line through it. If it had a line through it, that means there was no tsunami warning. That's what's got me a little worried here, okay? Let me go to USGS webpage. We're opening up USGS. Surf's Up is right. USGS had it at a 7.8, downgraded it to a 7.5. Okay, they've got it 136 miles south-southeast of Karpinsky, Russia. All right, and they've got it at 35 miles in depth. Came across on Australia as a 7.5 also. It came across on GFZ as a 7.5. They upgraded it to a 7.6. I shut down the U.S. tsunami page. I'm going back to the U.S. tsunami page. All right. I don't think you can see the writing, but we're going to try and open this up. Hopefully you guys can see this writing. Up at the top, it says no tsunami. Okay. They have it as a magnitude 7.8 at a depth of 37 miles. All right, EMSC's got it at 35, something like that. Let me go down and read the earthquake thing here, the tsunami thing. Hang on. Got to shrink it, push it. No. I need to open it big enough to be seen. Opening it now. All right, I'm reading. It's still statement number 1. They have not replaced the statement. It says this is a U.S. tsunami information statement for Alaska, British Columbia, Washington, Oregon, and California. An earthquake of this size are known to generate tsunamis, potentially dangerous to the coastal outside of this region's source. The U.S. National Tsunami Warning Center is analyzing the event to determine the level of danger. More information will be issued as it becomes available. This earthquake has potential of generating a destructive tsunami to tsunami in the source region. Source region would be California, British Columbia, Alaska, Oregon, Washington, all along the west coast, okay? I am not getting any. Guys, let me make a phone call. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be right here. Yes, buoy watch for sure. You knew there was a 7.5 earthquake, Kuril Islands region, right?
Right.
Is there a tsunami warning?
In Hawaii, yes.
There is a tsunami warning for Hawaii. They predicting how big it will be?
No, sir.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Thanks.
Okay, guys, you heard her. Tsunami warning for Hawaii. All right, they haven't got anything for the U.S., but a tsunami warning for Hawaii. If you're listening to my channel in Hawaii, you have a tsunami warning. Please take appropriate action. Guys, I don't fool around. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do that to you guys. You guys are important to me. Like I said, if you are in the Hawaii area, you have a tsunami warning. Please take appropriate action. All right, that's what I have, guys. Oh, I am so sorry. This is upsetting to me as well. All right, so let's go. I've got all links. Disaster alert just posted the earthquake, so I'm going to go pull that up now. There was a 7.8 downgraded to a 7.5 east of Kuril Islands. Okay, there is a tsunami warning for Hawaii. All right, not for Alaska, not for at this time for Washington, Oregon, California, or along the coastline. All right, so hang on there. It reads here, earthquake. And I'll post this in here also. All right. An earthquake of a 7.5 at a depth of 35.2 miles has occurred 219 kilometers south-southeast of Karpinsky, Russia, as reported by the National Information Center, the NEIC of the Usgs. They're saying this is a preliminary, so they still might change it. All right, I'm copying in that now, putting it into the links for you. I got enough room to do all this. Let's see here. Disaster alert. And post. All right. And go down. All right. Guys, we're going to go ahead and copy this and get it into the links so you guys can check them out and keep checking for the tsunami warning. All right, so let me go ahead and copy these. Copy. Oh, come on. Copy. We're going right to my page now. Then we'll go back. We'll check all these earthquakes, okay? But once again, there was a tsunami warning, all right, for Hawaii. I'm posting these into the video now. All right, all went in, guys. It all went in. All pages are there now for you guys to look at. I'm now going out of YouTube. All right, closing all applications down, all earthquake centers down. And now I'm going to go back to USGS. We will check that again. It is still sitting there at the top, 7.5. They got it at 35 miles in depth. They've got it east of Kuril Islands, and they've got it 136 miles south-southeast of Karpinsky, Russia. All right. I want to make sure EMSC still has it at a 7.6. We're reopening them. Please don't go down now. There you go. Still there. There is a tsunami warning for this earthquake. The earthquake tsunami warning is for Hawaii. We're posting that up now. EMSC's got it as a 7.6 east of Kuril Islands, Russia. They've got it at 60 kilometers. They've got it 137 miles southeast of Serbia-Kurilsky, Russia Federation. And GFC agrees with them. Australia agrees with USGS. All right. All right, guys, that's what we have. I'll keep an eye on the tsunami for you, I promise. I'm not going to stay online longer. You guys have yourself a great evening. I will get the midnight report up soon, and at that time, I will keep you informed. Who did I call? My Fox News station. Don't mind. They don't mind me. They know me. And they know I check on all large earthquakes. Okay? You can call your local news stations in Hawaii. They will inform you. Listen to your radio stations in Hawaii. They will inform you. Please take the appropriate action. Okay? All right, guys. That's why I let you guys listen to the phone call. To let you know I do call on these things. Okay? Hey, I do that. I do that. Be safe. God bless. You guys are totally awesome. Sending you guys much love. 2 thumbs up. I need to go check on this and find out exactly what's going on now. Okay? Have a great one, guys. Oh, I forgot to see who was here. I apologize. I know Toke came in running with scissors. I saw you're in here, sweetie. I think you two are the only ones making comments. Dawn, hey, sweetie. I knew you knew I'd be on in a heartbeat. All right, let's see here. Rosemarie, hi, sweetie. 2 weeks to SOL. You're new. You're new to the page. Thank you for coming in. God bless you. All right, I'm going to go. Have a great one, guys. Thank you.